Welcome. Managing field service operations, scheduling jobs, and tracking project progress can become challenging without the right system. That's where Simpro comes in. Simpro is a powerful platform designed to help businesses manage field service operations, schedule technicians, track jobs, and handle project workflows from one centralized system. With tools for job management, scheduling, invoicing, and reporting, Simpro helps service-based businesses improve efficiency and stay organized. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key features of Zbro, from setting up your account to automating tasks for maximum productivity. Here's what we will cover: setting up your simple account. Learn on how you can create an account, add team members, and configure project settings. Creating and managing jobs. Discover how to create jobs, assign technicians, and track progress in real time. Automating scheduling and dispatching. Utilize drag-and-drop scheduling, live technician tracking, and automated reminders. Managing codes, invoices, and payments. Create accurate codes, convert them into voices, and integrate with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks. Generating reports and tracking performance. Access insights into job profitability, technician efficiency, and overall business performance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how to use Simpro to enhance workflow automation, improve team collaboration, and drive business growth. Setting up your Simpro account. Before you begin using Simpro, ensure you have an active login. If you don't have an account yet, follow these steps to get started. Visit Simpro's official website and sign up for an account. Choose the right plan that aligns with your business needs, whether for field service, management, project tracking, or workload automation. Complete the initial setup by answering your business details, adding team members, and configuring project settings. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the Simpro dashboard, where you can access essential tools such as job scheduling, coding, invoicing, and reporting. The dashboard serves as your central hub for managing operations efficiently. Taking the time to properly configure your account ensures you get the most out of Simpro's features, helping you streamline business processes and improve productivity. Now that you are set up, let's dive into how to use Simpro effectively. Creating and managing jobs. Simpro makes it simple to manage field service jobs by allowing you to create, assign, and track tasks efficiently. Here's how to get started. Click on Create Job from the main dashboard to begin setting up a new task. Enter customer details, including name, contact information, and job location. Provide a job description, outlining the task requirements and any necessary notes for the technician. Assign a job to a technician or field team, ensuring the right personnel handle the task. Set job priorities and deadlines to keep everything on schedule and ensure timely completion. Once assigned, field technicians can update job statuses in real time using the Simpro mobile app, allowing managers to track progress instantly. This ensures seamless communication between office staff and field teams, reducing delays and improving efficiency. Automating scheduling and dispatching. Efficient scheduling and dispatching are essential for managing field service teams, ensuring tasks are completed on time and reducing operational bottlenecks. Simpro simplifies this process with powerful tools designed to keep your team organized and productive. Key scheduling and dispatch features: easily assign jobs by dragging tasks onto a technician's schedule. This feature allows for quick adjustments, ensuring jobs are allocated efficiently without manual data entry. Monitor your field teams in real time, allowing you to see their location, job progress, and availability. This ensures better resource allocation and helps in responding to urgent service requests faster. Improved communication with SMS or email notifications for both Customers and employees. Customers receive appointment reminders, while technicians get real-time updates on job assignments and changes. By utilizing these features, you can reduce scheduling conflicts, enhance field team productivity, and improve customer satisfaction. Real-time tracking minimizes downtime, and automated notifications help ensure seamless coordination. With Simpro, your team will always be in the right place at the right time, improving efficiency and service quality. Managing quotes, invoices, and payments. Managing quotes and invoices efficiently is essential for smooth business operations. Simpro's built-in tools make it easy to create, send, and track payments without hassle. Go to Quotes and select New Quote. Navigate to the Quotes section in Simpro's dashboard and click on New Quote to start Add Services. Materials and pricing. Enter details of the services provided, materials use, and the associated cost. You can customize pricing based on job complexity and customer requirements. Send the code directly to the customer. Once finalized, send the code via email or as a downloadable PDF. Customers can review, approve, or request changes. Convert approved codes into invoices with one click. No need for manual data entry. Simpro allows you to instantly turn accepted codes into invoices, ensuring quick and accurate billing. Seamless accounting integration. Simpro integrates with Xero, QuickBooks, and MyApp, making it easy to sync invoices, track payments, and manage financial reports. This reduces administrative workload and ensures accurate bookkeeping. By automating quoting and invoicing, Simpro saves time, improves cash flow, and enhances customer experience. Generating reports and tracking performance. Simpro provides powerful analytics and reporting tools to help businesses monitor performance and make data-driven decisions. By analyzing key metrics, you can improve efficiency, increase profitability, and optimize workflows. Key reports you can generate in Simpro identify which jobs bring in the most revenue and which one may need cost adjustments. This helps in pricing strategies and profitability analysis. Technician efficiency reports measure technician performance, response times, and job completion rates. Tracking these metrics ensures you are making the best use of your workforce. Cash flow reports monitor outstanding invoices, payment trends, and revenue flow to keep your business financially stable. Optimize your workflow with data-driven insights. With these reports, you can identify inefficiencies, allocate resources more effectively, and adjust pricing or scheduling strategies as needed. Simpro's real-time analytics ensure you stay ahead of potential bottlenecks and continuously improve business operations. By utilizing Simpro's reporting features, businesses can increase transparency, improve decision-making, and drive long-term growth. In conclusion, with Simpro, managing field services and projects is easier than ever. By leveraging automation, real-time tracking, and advanced. Thank you for watching this Simpro tutorial. Using a field service management platform like Simpro can help businesses streamline operations, improve job tracking, and manage projects more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on business software, project management tools, and field service platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I prefer this response.